So here we have the Mini Cooper S Diesel Countryman on a 66 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see we've got alloy wheels and 5 doors. We have the white roof to match the white mirror caps. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. So as we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with those 3 individually folding rear seats. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's while we're seeing the interior from this exterior point of view, there's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. We've got the rev counter, the digital readout for the speedometer, and then the total miles for the car, which are 19,138. If we move our way over into the central console area, we have the main speedometer and the fuel gauge just there. Beneath which we have the controls for the radio and phone controls, etc. So if we press the mode button, you can see we have the tuner, that's for FM, AM radio. We have DAB radio, a CD player, auxiliary input and USB input as well. If we press the menu button, that is where you can pair your phone, configure various settings and get information up about Mini customer services, their phone number, for example, as you can see just there. The main volume for the stereo is also in that section. Beneath that we have the CD player and then the air conditioning. So you can adjust the fan speed, temperature, you can determine where you'd like the air to be distributed, and then hit that button to turn the air conditioning on or off. You can recirculate the air that's in the car by hitting that button, and this one is your rear heated screen. Beneath that, we can turn off the traction control. We can lock the car doors from the outside. We can put the car into sport mode, so that'll put the steering into sport mode, so it'll be a bit firmer, and the gearbox will rev higher in each gear, and that's for your front and rear fog lights. We then have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. You have a button on the front there that will release it down into drive, and you can see we've got drive, neutral, reverse and park all there. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.